Wanted it to be something na very useful to mask the odors and also to make us feel more confident when going outside. Yung feeling na hindi ka naiilang na lumapit sa mga tao. Kasi, ay, pasensya na, medyo, amoy ako. Araw or pagkain.
Nakaka-conscious kasi na nasa prime tayo, na bata, di ba? O, eto pala, may royalty kayong nakukuha. O, even with your first product, no, sa Viva Beauty, no? It's so nice, di ba? Hindi lang basta endorser na bayad ka ng simulan mo pero wala kang mapapakinabangan. Pero with Boss Vic daw, sinisigurado niya na yung future niya is secured.
Yes, I'm very grateful naman po, very thoughtful for Viva and Boss Vic and everyone behind Viva Beauty to think of that. Kasi po, for every sale, we get a few percent from the sales, and it's true that it does secure our future kasi dun po nakadepende yung income po namin if wala na po masyadong jobs po for us. Yes, actually, later tonight po at 5 or 6 p.m. magla-live stream po ako, live selling for my Vippy Jella V scents po.
It's not your first time, right?
It's not my first time out po. I go live every other week.
Yeah,
Yes po.
okay. How was it naman, yung mga nauna?
I like live selling kasi I get to share yung knowledge ko po sa mga products and I get to help people choose what is right for them. And at the same time, I also get to sell. So it's a plus for everyone. Yan po.
Kasi, diba?
I'm not sure if I am allowed to disclose certain amounts. Pero for example na lang po, if I sell a 350 pesos lipstick, I get 3% of that. Yeah.
It's so
3 or
nice,
5,
diba?
yes.
Oo nga. Pero
Which is already big.
yeah, na ba siya?
I actually don't have more stocks for other people, but I am actually going to give some to my friends and also Rabin, of course.
Pero alam niya, may bagong endorsement ka.
Yes, well, he's very excited din.
Talaga.
Opo.
It's so nice, di ba? Kasi talagang yung closeness nyo kasi, di ba? Kanina, kasi nung we were talking to one of your bosses, no? Nabanggit niya, kasi we all know naman, kasi you're very vocal about what happened to your mom, di ba? She died because of cancer. Ganyan. During the shoot daw, may iba kasing kulay nung dapat nagagamitin. So, they recommended daw na parang instead of bubble gum, what's it called? Plastic balloon. And you're so worried daw kasi sabi mo, di ba, that's chemical? So nag-worry ka daw kaagad.
I don't remember that. I don't remember exactly what happened. Pero yes, I am very cautious with things that can cause cancer, specifically mga microplastics, everything that causes cancer. Very ako dyan. Iwas and careful kasi it kind of runs in the blood sa mother side ko. So it doesn't hurt to be cautious naman. But yun lang, very fun story, but I don't remember all of it. I'm sorry. So they can cause gases that are very harmful to our health in general.
Medyo marami nag-worry dito.
Ay!
Kasi yung plastic.
Hindi naman ba?
Pero again, congratulations.
I'd like to think na parang ito yung fruits ng lahat ng pinaghirapan ko before. And like you said po, tita, I just turned 24. Sometimes I feel like I'm too late to the game. Kasi marami pong mas bata sa akin, mas talented, and mas kilala. But I keep reminding myself na kung nasan po ako ngayon, pangarap ko lang noon. And I'm so grateful for that. As for my future plans naman po, I still want to continue working with Viva. I really love Viva. Viva is my home. And I want to keep doing my best. I want to hone more of my skills kasi feeling ko po hindi pa siya on par with the professionals talaga. Like yung mga kilalang veterano po. Gusto, yun po yung goal ko. Gusto ko pong gumaling talaga. And I also want to keep making more products with Vibi, with Jella V by Vibi. This name, Jella V, is actually a combination of the phrase Angela, my name, and the phrase C'est la vie, which means that's life. And I want to keep creating things like this na ako mismo involved po. Yan po. Gaano ka chose the names of the scents. I also chose the name for the brand, the hair and body mist brand, which is Jelavi.
Pati yung color.
Yes po.
Wow, ang ganda-ganda ng color. Actually, before you came, pinag-usapan namin na ang ganda-ganda ng packaging. Di ba? Napaka-cool. Napaka-cool ng dating, lalo na ngayong summer. Oo, you and Robin. Although kahit hindi kayo magsalita, actions speak louder than words sa inyong dalawa. Kumusta na kayong dalawa? Ano ng pangalan ng birthday gift niya sa iyo? Napaka-special.
We're okay naman po. We've been chatting just a few minutes ago. Although he's working and I'm working, we always make sure to check up on each other. And yung name po ng baby corgi is Tofi.
Ano?
Tofi. Tofi po.
Sino ang
Ako po nagpangalan.
So, ikaw ang nagpangalan.
Opo.
Okay, pati yung birthday nung puppy,
October 8, 2025. Ay, yeah, up.
oo. So, almost 1 year old na nung binigay sa'yo. Ay, hindi.
4 months.
4 months pa lang,
Opo,
sorry.
4 months.
4 months pa lang. Okay, so, katabi mo siyang matulog.
Yes po, sometimes katabi po ni Papa pag hindi ako nakaka-uwi agad.
I see. Wow. Anong pakiramdam? Kasi I suppose this is the very first time na naka-receive ka ng ganong gift para sa'yo. Lalo na coming from Robin.
Ako naman po kasi, hindi ko po in-expect na bibigay niya talaga. Kasi nagda-drop na siya ng hints noon. Kunyari, nag-uusap kami, tapos may makita akong cat. Ang cute ng cat. Sabi niya, mas mahilig ka ba sa cat kaysa sa dog? Tapos parang alam kong malapit na birthday ko. Sabi ko, wag mo ako riregaluhan ng aso, wag ha. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, hindi kita riregaluhan, no? Ba't mo naman iniisip yan? So the moment that he gave it to me, I was like, ang kulit! Pero at the same time, I felt so happy kasi somebody went through the trouble of going to Subic, as far as Subic, to go get the dog. Tapos bumalik sa Manila to give me the dog on my birthday. So, it's very touching. Kaya, very happy po ako dun si gift na corgi. And I really love Tofi. Ang cute-cute niya po. Ang bilis niya lumaki.
Congratulations.
Plans mo at ninyo ni Robin.
Work! More work po sana for us. We want to work. We're very hungry for work. Pero if may chance na magkabakasyon, we would really want to go to the beach. Para rin naman testing namin yung powers nito. Because based on experience, ako very maarte sa katawan. So, kompleto yung body care ko. Pero pupunta ako sa LU a few years ago. Parang 3 hours kami, sobrang direct ng init sa anit ko. Pagka-amoy ko sa sarili ko, nagulat ako, bakit ganon? Hindi ko alam na posible palang mag-amoy ganon ako. Kasi, grabe talaga. Basta, it's a foul smell. So, I wish I had something like this with me. Kasi itong Jelavina hair and body mist, it's not too overpowering. Hindi siya cloying na ang sakit sa ilong. Yung parang pagkalapit mo, ang tapang. It's just enough to make you feel fresh. Hindi ka maiilang kapag dinapitan ka ng tao. And that's what we're going for. Especially dahil summer na, marami nang pupunta sa labas, marami nang magbe-beach and magbabakasyon. So, alam ko may experience din nila yung na-experience ko sa initan talaga. And ito yung magiging best friend nila.
Yes.
Yan po.
Thank you.
All is the scents. They're very mabango. Mabango siya, hindi sa pagbabuhat ng sariling bangko. Pero I picked the scents myself. I was given a bundle of scents to choose from. And these are the ones that really stuck to me. The Lush and Lollipop is more of a clean, fresh fragrance. While this Sweet and Swirl is floral. This Candy and Cloud is sweet. So those 3 scents represent me. Kasi yun yung favorite kong gamitin. Floral, fruity, fresh, and also sweet. So, kapag ginamit mo to, it's not just for your hair. It's also for your body. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa buong katawan mo. It's the full package. At meron din siyang skin-loving ingredients. So, when you use it, you're not just smelling good, you're also feeling good and looking good. Yan po.
And you have
Because saturated na kasi yung beauty market. Marami ng pabango, marami ng mist, but not a lot of people release hair and body mist. When you use a body mist for your hair becomes stiff. kasi may alcohol siyang content. Pero with this hair and body mist, we have aloe vera, we have skin-loving ingredients that make it safe to use for your hair. And yung target po talaga namin dito mostly is for the hair. Kasi nga mainit po sa summer, bilad yung ulo natin. And very perfect sa mga nagko-commute. Yung nag-aangkas, nag-move it. So, syempre, meron silang helmet, di ba? We can use this for the helmet. Para hindi nagsistick yung amoy sa... Ako, personal struggles ko kasi yun. So, alam ko na this is gonna be very useful. And the size is perfect for your handbag. It's not too big, not too small. Hindi ka mabilis mauubusan. And for the body naman, of course, we all need to smell good to be presentable for people we meet every day.